Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump. No. What's up YouTube, it's your girl FeliciaYUMM, and as always, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here, for your support. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, comment, and definitely share. Today, I'm going to be doing a video on a simple smoky eye look. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into my eyebrows. So for 2019, I've noticed so far, like, the thick eyebrow look is here to stay. As you get older, you will lose hair. And there are some areas that are a little bit sparse. I'm using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. You guys are very familiar with this if you watch my videos. I'm not gonna front, I stopped using the pencil side and I just used the spoolie side because the pencil side was starting to take a little bit of my hairs out. I was noticing. No shade to Benefit, I really mess with their products. I really like some of their products, especially their eyeliner, but once I see my hairs are being pulled out, it's a wrap, so. I'm gonna go ahead and take my MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint, and this is in color Spike, and MAC did their thing on this, I'm not gonna lie. This comes with a 2-in-1, so you not only have the marker, you also have a shader. That's so dope. And this is the problem that I'm having with Benefit, is you don't have to go in with the crayon. The crayon sometimes is so just stiff, just too damaging to the eyebrow, and this is just like nice and light, and you just, you know, go ahead and tint in where you need to fill in the sparse areas. I like to work more on the marker side because I like those strokes to look natural. Turning into an eyebrow tutorial and I'm not doing that, so. Alright, so to clean up the bottom of my eyebrow bone, I'm gonna use LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer, and this is in color Nude. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand and use a flat concealer brush to shape the bottom of my brow bone. I'm gonna go ahead and use my angled blending brush by Real Techniques and bring down that concealer. And I'm going to use a blending brush to go ahead and blend out that concealer, as well as blend out that harsh line so it's a nice smooth transition to my eyebrow hairs. Okay, so now that the eyebrows are completed, we're going to jump into foundation. Today I'm going to be using my Stila Aqua Glow, and this is in color Tan Deep. Alright, so I'm going to take my blending sponge and apply the Stila Aqua Glow Serum, just a little bit. And I'm not going in too much just because right now, like I said, my skin is doing something and I just don't want to irritate it anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and contour, and I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick. I haven't used any other contour in such a long, well, not even such a long time. I think this is like, this stick has lasted me like over 2 years, no lie. I've had this stick for a minute. I'm not sure if that's sanitary or not, but I'm just being honest. And blend that out. That I've color corrected under my eyes, I'm going to go back in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in color Nude and place that right in the areas where I want the highlight to be. And blend that out with my blending sponge. Okay, so we went ahead and highlighted the necessary areas, blended that out. Now we're gonna move on to blush, and I'm gonna be using, and this is so cute, I got this pretty much for free because I am a Sephora member, and I guess you use so many points, you get stuff for free. And of course, I'm gonna grab the NARS for free. Like, what? You're gonna give me NARS for free? Okay, all right. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Orgasm blush and place that right in the apples of my cheek. Alright, so after the blush, we're gonna go ahead and jump into our setting powder. I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier. You guys already know, I shall not stray. And I'm gonna use my blending sponge to place that under my eye. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like so pissed off on my skin right now. Y'all have no idea. Like, I've been through hell trying to clear my skin. I have suffered from acne all my life, and I will be doing a review on the procedures that it took for me to actually clear my skin. And for me to be breaking out right now, I'm just like, I'm too through. But I'm not gonna trip, cause I ain't gonna trip. Alright, so I went ahead and placed the Laura Mercier under my eyes, and I'm gonna go ahead and set under my cheekbones with Huda Beauty. And I was opposed to buying any more setting powders because I have a ton of freaking setting powders. I'm not a big fan of this packaging, but who am I? I'm gonna go ahead and use the same blending sponge that I used for under my eye, pat it inside my Huda Beauty, and went ahead and chiseled under my cheekbones. I'm not gonna lie, yo, this setting powder smells so good. So while we're baking, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the eyeshadow. I'll be using my Morphe Boss Mood palette. So this is my baby. She's dirty as hell. But okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work out of this palette, Boss Mood palette. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump. No! I just freaking broke my brush holder, bro. I'm so hurt. Low-key really pissed off about that. I'm just trying to hold my composure. But I'm gonna go ahead and blend out, play it cool. Next, we're gonna go with Talk Dirty. And after Talks Dirty, we're gonna move on to Vampy Vixen. And I'm gonna place that directly on my leg. I'm gonna go ahead and wing out my eyeliner. For under my waterline, I'm gonna go ahead and use Play It Cool. And I'm gonna go over that again with Talk Dirty. And applied my lashes. These are by Dolly Wink lashes, Japanese lashes. You can only find these in Chinatown in Houston or online. But yeah, I love these lashes. These lashes are awesome. So yeah, I put those on, and now I'm gonna use my Better Than Sex by Too Faced mascara and pull down these baby lashes. I just finished applying the mascara to my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and dust off my setting powder with my NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation in Nutmeg. And I'm gonna take my kabuki brush and go ahead and place that in there, and without getting my earrings dirty, and dust off that setting powder. And I'm going to take my Urban Studios foundation brush and place a little bit of the powdered foundation on that and go under my eyes. Now for highlighter, guys, I'm going to be using my Light Me Up palette by Adora. And before I go in with my highlighter, I'm going to spray some Primers Water by Smashbox onto my fan brush, like so. Highlight those cheekbones. And this highlighter is so beautiful. I love this palette. This palette has very high pigmented highlighters and very affordable prices for money off. You're definitely going to be wanting to use my code that will be at the bottom in the description box. Now we're going to move on right into our lip gloss. I will be using my Artist Couture lip gloss in color Mac Daddy, a famous Instagrammer, also makeup influencer, makeup artist, creator of Artist Couture, came out with these beautiful lip glosses. But first, before we do that, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the chestnut. I'm gonna go ahead and block that out with my finger. What I really love about this lip gloss is that it is so adhesive. It's so thick and like luscious, and the color is neutral. You can wear this color with literally everything. It can be a topper as well. But what he noticed, and I love when people notice a detail, is that he got a wand like this shape, and there's something about a wand being this shape where it just glides on. It's so pretty. I love it. So Mac Daddy definitely did his thing. I'm going to be looking forward to a lot more of his items. Before my battery dies, I need to hurry up and set my face. And I'm going to be using the same setting spray that I've used for my fan brush, the Priming Water by Smashbox, and go ahead and set. I ran out of my MAC Prep and Prime setting spray, but this will do for now until I go re-up. But yes, this is the look, darling. This is the completed look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you guys definitely subscribe. If you haven't, definitely subscribe. I will be trying to do another giveaway sometime soon. Leave your comments down below, like this video, and stay tuned. Bye.